Hi everyone, today we're making hot chocolate Mexican style. We only need 2 ingredients for this drink: chocolate tablets or tableas and cinnamon sticks. I prefer to drink chocolate tablets than the chocolate powder drinks because these tablets are made of stone grind cacao beans. They are unrefined and have richer texture and bolder flavor than the powdered drinks. Also, this brand is organic, gluten-free, and dairy-free. The procedure is simple. We just boil the tablets in water until it is dissolved. You can also use milk instead of water. Both methods work and taste the same. You can use a pot with a spout for easy pouring and avoid wasting any product. Before serving, we stir the cinnamon stick into the hot chocolate for that richer flavor. Do you know that a cinnamon stick can be used as a stirrer for hot chocolate, coffee, or tea? It adds good flavor and aroma. There are alternative products to use to make hot chocolate, such as chocolate bars and the chocolates used for baking cookies. You can just melt them, similar method as the chocolate tablets, and they would make great hot chocolates too. I hope you can try Mexican tablets because they make very good hot chocolate drink and they're very easy to make. Thank you for watching. Au revoir.